So we come to the end of this job. 50 square metres of luxury vinyl tile. This one happens to be Antico, and as you can see, it looks the white banding between the tiles is very, very bright and clean, and the floor has been sealed using a commercial grade hard seal. Okay, very durable. It's slip resistant, and the life expectancy will be anywhere between 12 months to 24 months. As you can see, the finish is very subtle. It's somewhere between a matte and a satin finish. The tile slightly looks darker as the sealant does enhance the colour of the tile. Okay, but it is very subtle. Anyway, to keep this floor looking really, really nice, between scheduled deep cleans, we actually supply our customers with everything they need. So, a microfiber mop, a refill for your microfiber, 2 750 millilitre bottles of the PU cleaner, okay, a set of instructions telling you exactly how to use this product and how to get the best results from it, okay, and also if you do go for this maintenance plan, you will also receive a 10% discount on any carpet or upholstery cleaning, and we do also include a scratch repair service. So in that 12 months, if you do happen to accidentally scratch the floor with a chair or something, we will come out free of charge and repair that scratch.